Hi friends, this is Bhakyanathan. I have been involved in Drupal related steps nearly 6 years, like website development, custom module development, custom theming, Drupal migrations, Drupal multi-site configurations, and Drupal multilingual stuffs and other Drupal related works. So we and my friends started this show to take the Drupal to the people who are willing to learn about the Drupal and do the Drupal stuffs. So we are planned in English and Tamil. So if any other languages is needed, we are surely will try to make the video in their languages also. So before going to the installation stuff, we need to know what is Drupal. Drupal is nothing but a free and open source web development platform. Drupal powers busiest websites on the web, and it's a very purely adapted to any visual designs. So in Drupal, nearly millions of sites was developed currently. For example, we can say weather.com and the White House government site was built using Drupal. So why we need to choose Drupal? We can choose Drupal. It's a very highly customizable. As I said, it's a free open source system, so there is no worry about the licensing. It's designed for the rapid website development, and it's highly security stuff. Why it's security? In the sense, we can see the White House government site was built using Drupal. They also choosing the Drupal, so we can check how the Drupal is security. Other than that, there is lots of contributors, so they are contributing lots of modules and themes, so that we can use that and we can create websites as we want. Using Drupal, we can build any number of websites. For example, business-related websites, e-commerce websites, social publishing websites, or individual blogging system also we can create using Drupal. So in this session, we are going to see, this is the first session, so we are going to see how we are going to install the Drupal in Windows or Ubuntu as visual. You can take your own ways. We are going to show a demo in Windows using XAMPP, how we are going to install the Drupal. So let's see the demo. To download Drupal, we need to go to the drupal.org, and in the right hand side you can find Drupal core link. In that link, it will redirect to the download page. Before downloading the Drupal, we need to check the system requirement. In the system requirement, you can find what the web server we are going to use, what are the database, and what version of the PHP is required for installing the Drupal. For web server, we can go with Apache, and for database, we need to check the MySQL version is for recommended version, and the PHP recommended version. Here, the PHP recommended version for Drupal 7 is 5.4 version, and higher than 5.4. So for the Apache and MySQL and PHP, we have a XAMPP for Windows, and for Linux and Mac OS also, we need to download and install that. Here, the Drupal latest version is 7.34. We are going to download the latest version and save it and extract in the XAMPP htdocs folder. We are using Windows, so we are installed XAMPP already. So we can find the XAMPP folder in the localhost, in the C:\XAMPP and htdocs. Htdocs only contains all the files. This is the web root. So we have already Drupal. We download and extracted. Here you can find the lots of folders and files except sites. For example, includes MISC modules and scripts, themes, and the other PHP files and text files. These are the Drupal core files. We do not touch these files because in future, if any updation comes from the Drupal, it will face some problems. So only we need to touch the sites folder. The sites folder contains two folders, all defaults and example.sites.php. We will see about that later. In a whole folder, we have modules and themes. So in default, we have default settings.php. In this only, the database settings will be stored. Just we need to copy the default settings.file and we need to rename it as settings.php. Then we are going to create the files folder. The files folder contains the uploaded files in the admin area by the admin or some other user. What are the files uploaded to the server, uploaded to the site will be saved in this files location. We need to check the file permissions for this folder, files folder, and this settings.php file.
because while installing, the database name and the password and other steps will be stored in the settings.php. So it is a Windows, so we need not worry about the permissions. If you are using a Mac or Ubuntu, we need to check the file permissions before running the installation process. So now we need to create the database. For that, now I'm going to phpMyAdmin and creating an empty database name called a Drupal. You can specify whatever the name you want. Then after creating the database, now we are going to start the installation process. For that, I'm typing localhost/Drupal, the folder name of the Drupal. It will as for the standard, and the default version is English, language is English. So here the database section, we need to put the database what we have created. This is a localhost, the username is root and the password is empty. After clicking and saving, the installation process will be started. Here what will be done here is it will install all the core modules available in the Drupal core will be installed in the database what we have created. Then it will redirect to the site configuration page. So we'll see the site configuration page. In the site configuration page, we have a site name, site email address. We have a site name here. If you want, you can change here, or we will see later how to change the site name. The site email address I'm giving test.html, and the site account name. This is the main account name. I'm creating an admin, and the password is some password, whatever the password you want. This is the main admin account, so please be careful about the passwords. And the default country and the default time zone. Then update notifications. The update notification is nothing but whenever the Drupal has updates, security updates, and some other modules updates, you will receive a mail regarding the updates. Then save and continue. That's it. The Drupal installation was over. We'll have a link for the site. Currently we have installed the Drupal row, so we have a link for the site to view the site. So visit your site. Thus the Drupal installation over. Now I'm clicking the link. You can find the default home page for the new version of the Drupal. This is the default page. So I'm going to change the site name. So configuration and the site information. Just we have a localhost. I'm going to change my Drupal. Some other name, whatever you want to give, you can give, and some slogan I'm giving here as a demo. Now you can see how it was changed here. Just save configuration and close this page. It will automatically reload and changes the site name and the slogan. This is how we showed a demo for installation process. Just like a 2 minutes nodal, the site was installed, and we have a site running. To add flavors like theming and other stuff, we need to install the download and install the themes and some other modules whatever we want according based on our futures. So thank you for watching the video.
Hope you've seen the installation video about Drupal in Windows. Hope it helps you know about the installation stuff. If you have any queries or comments or any suggestion, if you want to see, you can directly put up in our social media websites, or you can directly contact us in our website name called LetsDoDrupal.com. We need your support and help to reach us to the people to know about the Drupal. Please help us. Thank you. We'll see in other session shortly. Thank you. Bye.